All right, here's Hiccup, green collar male.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
Play with some of the toys with him. All right, go ahead and get up, walk around.
Oh, yes, good puppy. Puppy! Come on. Come on.
Go ahead and come do touch tolerance.
Teeth. Cover their eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Play with their ears. Fur. Backwards. Forward. Tail. Paws. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, good. Good. Okay, do sight.
Puppy! Puppy! Look up! Look up!
He noticed it. Good. Sight. It's good. Okay. Marcus, you can go ahead and hop in. All right. Good job, Marcus. He was not worried about you rolling and screaming. He was just trying to figure out what kind of game you were playing. Come on, buddy.
It's okay.
Okay, yes, you can Marcus, you can hop out. I guess you can put in Goldie. It's like, wait. Try to see if he can nurse or he was playing. I couldn't see. I think he's definitely more assertive with dog friendliness. He's trying to get into her face. He's not rolling on his back. Go ahead, you can grab her out now. Hi, how are you doing? Mm-hmm.
Go on.
She's like, he's like, why'd you take my friend away? All right. So for Hiccup, assertiveness towards humans was low. Confidence in his own abilities was very high. Motivation level to work with humans was pretty low. He was kind of just doing his own thing in the pen, running around. Nerve strength was high. He really didn't get very stressed out, recovered super well. Touch tolerance was high. Energy level low, and sound and sight sensitivity both low. He really didn't react to either one. Prey drive, chasing the toys, was low. Human focus, he's focusing more on me than he wants to anybody else, any of the kids on the pin. He was more of a medium on human focus. Said he was interested that they were in there, checking them out, but then kind of wanted to go do his own thing, play with the toys, check out the pin. Tenderhearted was not. He was not upset when Marcus was rolling and screaming. And then dog friendliness was assertive. That's Hiccup, green collar, male.